I swear, Zola, the first time I tried to learn a foreign language from a textbook, I felt like I was reading an instruction manual for a microwave. I couldn't remember a single rule.
Oh, absolutely. A textbook tells you how a grammar rule works in a sterile lab. But movies? Movies show you how people actually talk when they are angry, laughing, or whispering secrets in the dark.
Exactly. And that is why today on the English Frequency, we are throwing away the boring grammar drills. We are showing you how movies can actually teach you real, natural English faster than any classroom ever could. Let's dive right in.
Welcome back to the English Frequency, the podcast where you learn real, natural English without ever feeling like you are stuck in a boring, soul-crushing classroom. I am Zola.
And I am Zane. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button because every week we break down the everyday English you actually need to sound completely natural, confident, and fluent.
Today, Zane, we are talking about something so many of our listeners are obsessed with, but might be doing totally wrong: watching movies to learn English.
Oh, totally. People always tell us, Zola, Zane. I watch movies with English subtitles all the time, but my speaking isn't getting any better. What am I doing wrong? They treat it like entertainment instead of an active language lab.
Yes! They sit back with a bucket of popcorn, read the subtitles in their native language, and wonder why they aren't fluent after watching The Avengers. Today, we are breaking down the exact strategy to turn your movie nights into a secret English-speaking superpower. Are you ready?
I was born ready. Let's start with phase 1, choosing the right kind of movie. Because if you start with Shakespeare or heavy historical drama, you're going to want to cry. All right, phrase and strategy number 1. When you pick a movie to study, you cannot just pick whatever is trending on Netflix. You need films with natural conversational dialogue. Think romantic comedies, high school dramas, or family comedies.
Exactly. Avoid sci-fi or fantasy films where people are talking about laser guns, magical spells, or alien kingdoms. Unless you plan on chatting with an alien on your commute to work, those words won't help you order a coffee. Stick to contemporary settings where people talk about everyday life, relationships, and work.
That is such a vital point. Now let's talk about the biggest trap. Subtitles. Everyone loves subtitles, but most people use them as a crutch. If you watch a movie in English with subtitles in your native language, your brain completely ignores the English audio. It's just a reading exercise.
So true. That brings us to our golden rule number 2, the 3-step movie method. Step 1 is watching the scene with your native subtitles just to understand the plot. Step 2 is switching to English subtitles so your eyes and ears can connect. And step 3, the magic step, is turning subtitles off entirely for a short scene and trying to catch the rhythm.
Oh, I love that. And when you do that, you start noticing how native speakers compress their words. For example, nobody in a real movie says, "What do you want to do?" They say, "What do you want to do?"
Yes. What do you want to do? It sounds like a completely different language, but once you train your ear with movies, you realize it's just regular English running at full speed.
Moving right along to strategy number 3, the shadowing technique. Have you ever tried repeating a line right after an actor says it, matching their exact emotion and tone?
Oh, it feels a little silly at first, like you're an actor auditioning for a play in your living room. But it is the absolute fastest way to fix your pronunciation. If an actor says, "Are you kidding me?" With total disbelief, you pause the movie, rewind, and say it with that exact same eye roll and voice inflection.
It gets the English out of your head and into your mouth muscles. Speaking a language isn't just a mental exercise, it's physical. Your tongue and lips need to get used to English shapes, and movies give you the best voice coaches in the world for free.
Completely free. Now, let's talk about strategy number 4, focusing on chunks, not single words. When you watch a movie and hear a cool phrase like, "I'll give it a shot," don't just write down the word shot. Write down the whole phrase.
Yes, because to give it a shot means to try something. If you just learn shot, you'll think of cameras or basketball. Chunks give you instant, ready-to-use sentences that you can pull out in a conversation.
And that brings us to our final big strategy. Strategy number 5. Don't try to understand every single word. This is where learners fail. They freeze up because they missed one single word an actor muttered, and they miss the next 3 sentences while trying to translate it in their head.
Such a great reminder. Think about how you watch movies in your own native language. Do you understand every single mumbled word? No. You catch the vibe, the body language, and the context. Trust your brain to fill in the blanks.
Exactly. Movies teach you empathy, culture, humor, and timing. Things a textbook can never teach you. A textbook can tell you what irony means, but a movie scene with sarcastic character delivery shows you how irony actually feels.
And just like that, your Friday night movie marathon becomes the most powerful English lesson of your entire week. No stress, no boring quizzes, just pure immersion.
Look at that. Simple strategies that turn your favorite entertainment into a fluency machine. You guys totally got this.
Absolutely. Pick one movie you love this weekend, turn on the English subtitles, and try shadowing just one favorite scene. You will be amazed at how fast your ear adjusts.
If you love this episode, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below telling us, what is your absolute favorite movie of all time? We read every single comment.
Thanks for tuning into the English Frequency. Keep practicing, keep watching, and we will see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone!